We all want to live healthier, more fulfilling lives. It's time to take charge. Fitness isn't a destination, it's a journey. Every step you take towards a healthier you matters. Let's embark on this journey together, one push-up at a time. Remember, your body is your temple. Treat it with respect. Fuel it with nutritious food. Challenge it with invigorating exercise. You are capable of amazing things. It's time to unleash your inner athlete. Ready to build shoulders that turn heads? Dive bomber push-ups are not just any exercise, they are a game changer for your upper body strength and mobility. Dive bomber push-ups are your secret weapon. This exercise combines the best of yoga and strength training, making it a versatile addition to any fitness routine. This dynamic exercise targets your shoulders, chest, and triceps, giving you a powerful upper body workout. Imagine sculpting your muscles while also improving your flexibility and endurance. Here's how to do it. Start in a downward dog position, hips high. This initial position helps stretch your hamstrings and calves, preparing your body for the movement. Lower your chest towards the ground in a scooping motion, moving your head forward. This motion mimics the swooping dive of a bomber plane, engaging your chest and shoulder muscles intensely. Push back up, reversing the motion. This reverse movement not only strengthens your triceps but also enhances your shoulder mobility. It's like a dive bomber plane, hence the name. The fluid motion of this exercise is both challenging and rewarding. Dive bomber push-ups improve shoulder mobility and strength. They are particularly beneficial for athletes and fitness enthusiasts looking to enhance their performance. They engage your core and enhance stability. A strong core is essential for overall fitness, and this exercise ensures your midsection gets a solid workout. Plus, they're a challenging and fun variation to your workout routine. Adding variety keeps your workouts exciting and prevents plateaus. Ready to feel the burn? Let's do this. Embrace the dive bomber push-up, and watch your strength and flexibility soar to new heights. Dive bombers are fantastic, but let's explore other bodyweight exercises to sculpt those shoulders. There are so many effective moves that can help you achieve strong, defined shoulders without the need for any equipment. Pike push-ups target your anterior shoulders, building strength and definition. This exercise is great for isolating the shoulder muscles and can be modified to suit different fitness levels. Handstand push-ups, while advanced, are the ultimate bodyweight shoulder exercise. They not only challenge your shoulder strength, but also improve your balance and core stability. Don't forget about wall walks. They build incredible shoulder and upper body strength. This exercise is a fantastic way to work on your shoulder endurance and overall body control. Start with your feet against a wall, walk your hands out, and walk your feet up the wall. This movement engages your shoulders, core, and even your legs, making it a full-body workout. It's like a moving plank. Remember, consistency is key. Regular practice will help you see improvements in your shoulder strength and overall fitness. Start with what you can do, and gradually increase reps as you get stronger. It's important to listen to your body and progress at your own pace to avoid injury. Your shoulders will thank you. With dedication and the right exercises, you'll achieve the sculpted shoulders you've always wanted. Keep pushing, stay consistent, and enjoy the journey to stronger shoulders. Section 4. Your fitness journey starts today. No more excuses. Today is the day you take control of your health and fitness. Imagine the feeling of accomplishment as you push through each workout, knowing you're getting stronger and healthier with every step. You have the power to transform your health and well-being. It's not just about physical strength, but also about mental resilience. Each workout is a step towards a better you, a more confident and empowered version of yourself. Start incorporating dive bomber push-ups. These exercises are fantastic for building upper body strength and improving flexibility. They challenge your muscles in new ways, helping you break through plateaus and achieve new fitness milestones and other bodyweight exercises into your routine. Bodyweight exercises are incredibly versatile and can be done anywhere, anytime. They require no equipment, making them perfect for outdoor workouts. Commit to a few workouts each week. Challenge yourself. Celebrate your progress. Each milestone, no matter how small, is a victory. Keep pushing your limits and you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. Every rep, every drop of sweat takes you one step closer to your goals. Embrace the sweat, the effort, and the journey. It's all part of the process of becoming the best version of yourself. Remember, fitness is not a punishment. It's a celebration of what your body can do. Enjoy the process, the movement, and the energy. Let each workout be a reminder of your strength and potential. Embrace the challenge and watch yourself transform. The journey may be tough, but the rewards are worth it. Stay committed, stay motivated, and most importantly, enjoy the ride. Your fitness journey starts today. Section 5. Join the movement, share your goals. Now it's your turn. What are your fitness aspirations? What topics would you like to explore further? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's create a community of support and motivation. We're all in this together. Let's inspire each other to reach new heights. Your journey starts now. What are you waiting for?